Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and we'll be looking at another option in the recovery options of Windows 11. And this one is different from the others that we've seen. It has to do with a problem that could have been caused by something recent. And so if you go into your settings app, you go into the system tab, go to recovery. You'll see an option called point in time restore, and you can view or edit here. This option is a recovery system with timestamps. So you see here that I've got two recovery options for the 17th, actually two, maybe three. So I've got three recovery options taken, and I can go back to earlier today, to yesterday, or the day before. So this is the option that is right now selected. Point in time retention is 22 hours, so it's 3 days. Now, why would we want to go back a day or two? Say you've got a Windows update and it crashed something on your PC. Now, you weren't able to uninstall it because for some reason it could be an update that does not have an uninstall button at the end of it in the settings in the Windows update. So you're thinking, oh, okay, it crashed something. What can I do to fix it? Well, you can go back in time. So if it happened today, you'll go to yesterday. And this will actually replace your Windows operating system exactly as it was at the time and the date that you've chosen. Which means if the Windows update installed today, it won't be there yesterday because it didn't exist yesterday. It could be software you installed. Maybe you installed a new piece of software, something's going wrong and your PC crashes now. Even after you uninstall it, it still continues to crash. Once again, this could be an option that will fix your problem. And it could be a driver. You've installed a new driver for some device and suddenly all hell breaks loose. Well, go back in time. So the idea here is to go back before the problem has arrived. So that means that if you did it yesterday, well, you can go the day before, but you see here it's limited to 3 days right now. This will change eventually and be you'll be able to change it to for longer periods if you want. But for now, it's 3 days. But usually, when we use this, it's something just happened, and it's fine to have only just a day or two. So it's a point in time restore. Now, you might tell me, okay, but where do I restore? To use it, it's the little more complex thing that is supposed to be fixed at some point. You will have to go to the advanced startup and restart now, which will actually restart your PC in the advanced startup menu. And from there, you'll have to go to the troubleshooting options. This is where point in time restore lies, and this is where you click on it, and you'll be able to click on the dates of the recovery options that you already have, and that will actually work its magic and bring you back to that date and time. Remember that you'll lose any software you've installed since then. You'll also lose possibly some of your personal documents or pictures or things that you might have saved on your PC. It really wants to put back your PC in the same state that it was at that date and time. So it's something you got to know. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.